rationalize the denominator and simplify the result. In this case, we have a binomial denominator, and the denominator does have a radical in it. So we need to make the denominator so that it does not have a radical in it. The method to do this is to multiply by the conjugate of the denominator. This would be 2 minus square root of 7. You have to do that on top and bottom because this is essentially a times 1 technique. All right. Now we go about distributing these products. So the numerator will be 12 minus 6 square root of 7 plus 2 square root of 7. Now the square root of 7 times the square root of 7, that's the square root of 49, that's 7. So this is just minus 7. The denominator, 2 times 2 is 4, outer product minus 2 square root of 7, inner product plus 2 square root of 7, last again is minus 7. So the numerator 12 minus 7 is 5. Negative 6 square root 7 plus 2 square root 7 is negative 4 square root 7. And the denominator, the inner and outer products go to 0. There goes the radicals there. And 4 minus 7 is negative 3. Our denominator went from an irrational binomial to a rational number. That is rationalizing the denominator. It is a multiply by 1 technique. You must have the conjugate of the denominator's binomial so that the outer and inner products reduce to 0 and you end up with the square roots multiplying together. You could also distribute the negative to the numerator and get negative 5 plus 4 square root of 7 over positive 3, or you could write the negative out in front. There's a lot of different approaches to writing your final answer. You could even rearrange the terms. But any of these 4 answers are correct and simplified.